know what? At this point, I'm convinced the police officers are making up laws as they go. Let's talk about it. Police officers need more intense training. They need more mental evaluations. They need to be looked at closely. I am so sick and tired of flipping on through my social media, and every single post is showing more and more aggressive policing, police brutality. Now I came across this one video where this young man got pulled over by the police. He told the police, "Here's my CCW license." You know what the officer said? "I need to check out the weapon to make sure this is the weapon that you should be carrying." Where in the hell did he get that from? At this point, they are setting the laws themselves. Where is the superior officers that is to be held accountable for these police that's on the street terrorizing people? Take a look at this clip.
What did you say?
So this right here, ask that you remove it, okay? You hand it over.
Why?
Because I have to verify that that's the gun that you're allowed to carry. Okay?
That's never happened to me before.
Dude, you have a gun. I don't know if it's the gun that you're allowed to carry, okay? I'm not trying to make this a big deal, and I haven't...
Yeah, I know, but I'm part of the law or anything.
It's not a policy?
It's not part of the law or anything.
Okay.
I just have the duty to inform you guys that I have a firearm.
Okay. And how am I to know that that's the gun that you got on you?
You're not supposed to know. That's none of your business.
I am, yeah.
I gave you my license. What I pay for, that's what I pay for.
This is...
I don't pay for you guys to invade my privacy when I'm legal and legit.
We're gonna get there, boss. I'm not trying to make this a bigger issue.
I'm not gonna make it an issue, but I'm just letting you know I'm aware of my laws and my rights. I have a duty to inform. I gave you my CCW. But I don't know if that's the gun that you have. Right, so, it doesn't matter. So you think I'm a criminal?
Huh?
You think I'm a criminal?
I don't know who you are, dude. I don't know who you are.
That's my identification. I gave you 2 forms of identification.
You're saying if you think I'm a criminal, I don't know you.
I don't know if you're a tyrant.
Huh?
I don't know if you're a tyrant.
I'm not gonna go back and forth.
Like, you know, like you want to play guessing games? We could play guessing games. Like, I don't get what you're saying. What did you say?
So this right here, ask that you remove it. Okay, you hand it over.
Why?
Because I have to verify that that's the gun that you're allowed to carry. Okay?
That's never happened to me before.
Dude, you have a gun. I don't know if it's the gun that you're allowed to carry. Okay, I'm not trying to make this a big...
I'm gonna have you a favor.
Yeah. Unlock the door.
Thanks for being cool with us, man. Have you ever been pulled over before with a CCW?
Yes, I have.
All right, I'm gonna do this because it just makes it easier for all of us.
It's not part of protocol, you know. This is.
We need to verify that that's the gun.
Okay.
That, you have on you. Okay.
Okay, it's fine. Man, I'm just going to the grocery store, man. Like, y'all embarrassing me right now. Like,
yeah, all good. All good. So just saying what?
I gave him 2 forms of identity. I've been pulled over numerous times with my CCW. You guys never have to check my firearm. You don't know what a tyrant is?
Well, I just some people use that in a very broad stance, and I have no idea what
someone who overuses their power. That's what I think a tyrant is.
Okay.
That's
and of course, obviously, you're entitled to
I gave him 2 forms of identification. He's claiming he don't know who I am. I don't know who you guys are. You guys have firearms. You're not supposed to be able to invade my privacy like that. I mean, like, I just feel like that's kind of crazy.
Okay, so you've obviously been to the classes, in the re-up classes.
I have the duty to inform. I have to let you guys know that I have a CCW.
Yes.
I have a gun on me.
Yeah.
But it's not you taking my firearm and seeing, looking at it and doing whatever, maximizing your guys' power against me. That's not what you guys are supposed to be doing. That's my point.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right, but because you have this license, now you're kind of in an area to where we're going to make sure, and he's just going to verify that it's, obviously your firearm, things like that.
Yeah,
you're not
that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, it's fine,
but it's also a little bit extra to get it. Like you said, it's not every day that we come across people that have CCW.
You see what I'm saying? That's just ridiculous to me. Let me know in the comments, when did that become a law? So I can be more informed. And don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more controversial topics.